Hello guys and welcome to another Limpeh Anti-aging video. Yes. Now a lot of people watch my video and they say, "Oh, you're mid-40s and you have great hair." Oh, I just washed my hair. Look at that. And yeah, I'm in my mid-40s and my hair looks like this, and it's not genetic, okay? Now, hair loss is highly genetic. Okay, and I didn't have that great genes. I didn't win the genetic lottery. My family has hair loss, and my younger brother, like, hair has receded like all the way up here like this. Okay, I did a lot of things to keep my hair. Like 2 years ago, I made this video to share with you guys what I do to keep my hair up to that point. But right now, I've actually changed up a lot of my hair loss routine a lot, and I find that it's a lot more effective. So I'm just gonna share it with you guys here today, alright? And since it's Christmas season right now, just wishing you guys Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2020. Okay, so right now, before I even go into the products, okay, hair loss, like when it comes to hair loss, the products are, like, to me, the very end of the line. Before you come to the products, you have to do a lot of things. Now, these things, if you don't do, or these things that if you do, doesn't matter what products you use, it's not gonna work for you, okay? Now, first of all, is you have to understand how balding works. Now, I just said that it's genetic, okay? So by a certain age, it triggers. But even though it's genetic, you could delay it, okay? Or two, reduce its impact. Now, how is that so? You can only do that by understanding how balding works in the first place. Now, male pattern balding, or the general shedding that a lot of females experience, scientifically it has been confirmed that it has a lot to do with testosterone. I can never pronounce that properly. Testosterone. Okay, it has to do a lot with testosterone. So the more testosterone you have, the more it gets converted into this thing that goes into your hair follicles and encouraging them to fall out, weakening them and encouraging them to fall out. So if you're really concerned about hair loss, and I was very concerned about hair loss, I'm telling you, each time I finish washing my hair, before I got serious about this, each time I would finish washing my hair, I have hair all over my body, okay, all over the floor. That's how bad it was, okay? And I got a patch here, which I really like, a little hole here, which I lost before I got serious. I'm not sure if you guys can see, okay? And then I got serious about it, and like everything just improves, and not just that, it's kind of reverses. Everything just reversed, okay? Now, so testosterone causes hair loss, which is why if you go to the gym and you see those guys with big muscles, you need a lot of testosterone to build that kind of muscles, okay? And bodybuilders, your diet and your lifestyle encourages the production of testosterone. So what happens is that the more muscle you have, the quicker you lose your hair. Okay, so I have bodybuilder friends, and I myself, I used to go to the gym a lot in my early 30s, and I was losing hair like crazy. And my serious bodybuilding friends, they're all bald. Hey, you don't even have to take it from me. Go to a gym later on, and then go to that corner where those guys pump the huge irons, and then look at their hair. 99% they're all bald. If they are not bald, they're young and they're on the way to becoming bald, okay? So, if you want, by the time you hit your late 30s and early 40s, you have to make a choice. You want the big muscle, you want to look good here, or you want to look good here. You have to choose one of the two. Okay? You can't have both by the time you hit our age, okay? So if you do a lot of gym, doesn't matter what product you use, that amount of testosterone that you're producing it just causes your hair to fall off, okay? Very little you can do about it, no matter what you eat or use, okay? Now, secondly, even though testosterone weakens your follicles and encourages them to fall out, there are a lot of things you can do to prevent to strengthen your follicles. Yeah, to strengthen your follicles, and in fact to encourage your follicle to grow hair again. Okay, and one of those things that has been scientifically proven is this. I eat a lot of this. Now, if you have not watched my video about this, by the way, if you're wondering, this is kimchi. Okay, if you're wondering why kimchi works, please refer to this video. But in a nutshell, it has been scientifically proven in a paper like I think 1 year ago, where if you eat a lot of kimchi, not only do you delay balding, it has been proven that over a period of time of very intensive kimchi eating, your hair grow back. Yes, scientists have yet to determine what about kimchi makes your hair grow back. Okay, but at least at this moment of time, we know it works. I eat a lot of kimchi. That's why you see Koreans have great hair. Koreans eat a lot of kimchi since young. Okay, knowingly or unknowingly. Right? Now, the third thing is this. Okay, now that you have taken care of your lifestyle, your diet, now you have to take care of, this is lifestyle as well. You have to take care of your stress. Nothing causes your hair to fall out faster than when you're stressed out. Now, whenever I was living through a period of stress, no matter what I eat or do or use, okay, I see a lot of hair, I lose a lot of hair. Stress causes your hair to lose so quickly. Okay, so if you're stressed out, okay, no matter what you use or eat, it's not gonna work. Okay, so you need to manage your stress. If you want to learn how to better manage your stress, you can refer to my playlist on spirituality here, where I teach you guys how to take care of your inner selves. Okay, now another thing is this: dyeing. You guys can tell I dye my hair. Okay, and nothing shows like old more than like grayish hair here and there, right? So I do dye my hair, but I'm telling you guys, if you don't have to, don't dye your hair. Like, don't ever dye your hair, because I'm sharing this with you. If I never dyed my hair would have been a lot thicker than it is now through whatever I've done so far. Because every time I finish dyeing my hair, okay, and I dye it like once a year, okay, every time I dye my hair, I lose a shitload of hair, like a lot. I lose at least one layer of my canopy easily. Okay, that's how bad dyeing is. Okay, if you can help it, don't dye your hair. Okay, you want to keep your hair, don't dye your hair. Okay, now if you have done all of this, then we come to the product. Now the product's gonna work for you. And 2 years ago, I was using a Korean product. It was good, but my hair was still falling, albeit at a slower rate. But now that I changed up to this new line of product, oh my god, I'm telling you, it's so amazing. I actually count the amount of hair I dropped in my basin, okay? And ever since I switched over to this line, I barely see my hair drop. I would say it drops like only 1/3 of what I used to when I was using the old line. Okay, this line is so powerful. And not only that, now anti-hairloss shampoo needs to do two things. One is, of course, to strengthen your hair follicles to prevent them from falling out. That's why it's called anti-hair fall here in America. It needs to do a second thing as well, which is to make your hair look thick, to give it volume. Now, not every hairloss shampoo gives that volume. This line gives amazing volume. Look at that, it's barely dry and you can see the volume. Okay, I don't have great hair, by the way. My hair, like I said, after dyeing my hair, I lost one whole layer. But using this line, my hair, poop, immediately like kind of pop, like popcorn, like poop, like mushroom. It's amazing. Now, what line is this? This is called the Satinic line, okay, of this is a shampoo, conditioner, and most importantly the tonic, which you apply after shampooing, after drying. Okay, you just apply over your scalp. Okay, one thing, if you want your anti-hair loss shampoo to work, after you have done all this, after you have washed the hair, You know what a lot of people do? They take the towel and then they do this. They dry their hair like they're like sandpapering down a piece of wood. You do that, you're gonna lose a lot of hair, okay? And some people use very hot hair dryers and they just kind of you do that, you're gonna lose a lot of hair. As you can see, I actually washed my hair just about 30 minutes ago. You know what I do? I take a towel, press it, just like sponging out water. I sponge out the water from my hair and it's still wet. And you know what? I let it be. I let my hair dry naturally, okay? If you're gonna do this, your follicles are already weak and you're like brushing them down like that. You're mowing down, you're literally mowing your lawn, my friends. Don't do that, okay? If you do that, it's not gonna work for you. Okay, so this line, I don't use to use conditioners, but this line or the conditioner is just so powerful, so satanic. So ever since I started using this whole line, especially I really love the tonic, because the tonic keeps the volume there for like the whole day. So your hair don't flatten out by the end of the day. It's very powerful and it works for both male and female, okay? So this line, I've been using this line for extended period of time, and I am very impressed with what I'm getting. That's why I'm sharing with guys this with you guys. But now the only thing is this line sells by membership only. You can't just like pick it up from a store or where. So you're gonna have to go to my description below, sign up a membership from the link in my description, and then once you're signed up for a membership, you will then be able to go to the section called hair care, and you can find all of this there, okay? And this is so good. Right now, anywhere in the world I go, I carry them. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. This is my anti-hair loss secret. I know a lot of you do a lot of more very exotic things like, turmeric or whatever. I'm gonna tell you the truth, I've tried a lot of things because nothing makes you look older than balding. You can have no crow's feet, perfect skin, whatever, it doesn't matter. If you are balding, you look 50. Immediately. That's why I've always been very concerned about balding. Which was why I put off dyeing my hair until like just a few years ago. And even when I first did it, I was like, I didn't feel comfortable about it. I still don't. And and it took a lot of sacrifice to get the color. So I'm not encouraging you guys to do it. In fact, I'm encouraging you guys not to do it, okay? So this is what I do, okay, to keep my hair right now. And this is what I do in real life, and this is what has worked for me in real life. I know a lot of you have a lot of theories, you have seen stuff in theory, but until you have tried it and you can vouch that it works, okay, I'm gonna tell you half of the things you see out there on YouTube and all that stuff, they're all bullshit. Like people are just trying to sell things. But I'm sharing with you guys stuff that really work for me, okay? I'm a living example of everything I do. If it doesn't work for me, I don't tell you guys about it. I don't recommend it. Yeah, I don't recommend it. Okay. So yeah, if you have some other secrets or whatever, feel free to share with us in the comments below. Alright, see you guys next time.